I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your stew thicker, easy method. Simmer the stew uncovered to reduce liquid and concentrate flavors, stirring often to prevent sticking. Use gentle heat and add thickeners slowly so you control texture. Taste as you go and adjust salt and acidity to balance richness. Finish with fresh herbs or a pat of butter for glossy sheen and rounded flavor. Serve hot. A few reliable thickeners will save the day, and they are simple to use. For a clear, shiny result, whisk a cornstarch slurry into simmering stew, adding gradually. For richer, nuttier flavor, try a roux made with butter and flour cooked briefly. Pureed vegetables or instant potato flakes lend body and fiber without gluten. Use small amounts and wait a minute to judge full thickening before adding more. Technique makes the difference between grainy sauce and smooth, velvety stew. Temper thickeners by combining them with cold liquid first, then whisk into simmering pot to avoid lumps. Reduce patiently on medium heat, rushing with high heat risks scorching. Remember to retaste and adjust salt, acid, or herbs after thickening because flavors concentrate. If stew cools and thickens too much, thin with warm stock or water a little at a time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.